the most bouncy letter in the alphabet. Yo ho ho! I'm the brave letter B, and I'm bright blue. B says B, B, B.
This is the letter B. B, B, ball.
B, B, ball. B, 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 oh the wonderful B. For bubbles and bears and bluebirds you see. I'm the awesome letter B. B says, today I'm a bee, bee indigo bunting. Come fly with me. Hi everyone, I'm the awesome letter B, and I'm bright B-L-U-E. B says,
B is for beach ball bouncing high. B is for brown bear waving goodbye.
hippity hop. I'm the bouncy letter B, and I'm bright B-L-U-E. B says, shash B-B. Hippity hop. I'm the bouncy letter B.
If you're ready, say B-B. Bounce like a bunny, buzz like a bee. B-B-B, come sing with me. If you're ready, say B-B.
Let's write a capital B. Start at the top, draw a straight line down. Good. Back up, make a small curve to the middle and a bigger curve to the bottom. Ta-da!
Start at the top. Big curve, small curve. Down we go. Yay, that's the letter B. Hello, everyone. I'm the letter B. B is for bee. Listen to the bee.
B. Honeybee.
Hi, everyone. I'm the letter B. B is for butterfly. Hi, friends. I'm the super cool letter B. I'm big, I'm bouncy, and I'm bright blue. Look at the big blue letter B. It's bouncing here for you and me.
I love being a bee boat. Let's sail together. Row your arms like you're paddling. Let's write the capital letter B. Start at the top and draw a straight line down. Great! Now make a round bump for the top and one more bigger bump for the bottom. Bubble, blow with me. Blow, 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 then P-O-P. Catch the bubbles. That's the magical letter B.
Pop, pop, pop. I'm the bubbly letter B, and I'm bright B-L-U-E. Hey, bookworms. I'm the brilliant letter B, and I'm bright B-L-U-E. B says B-B-B.
B says B-B-B, my favorite thing.
If you're ready, say B-B. If you're ready, say B-B. Bounce like a bunny, buzz like a bee. But come sing with me.